The next curve in line is hue versus saturation. What does it mean? Hue is color, and saturation you have seen, it saturates the colors, if you like, make more colors or less colors. Okay, that's a naive explanation. So hue versus saturation means select a color and increase or decrease its saturation. As usual, you can come to one of the colors here, primary or secondary. I would choose, for example, the yellow. And then you have the 3 points as usual. The two extremities define the range of the yellow we have selected. And the middle one is the color itself. You can click on it and take it up. You will increase the saturation, as you can see. Of course, you can take it left or right and decide exactly what kind of saturation you want. I will reset this. Also, you have the possibility to select a color, and I'm gonna take it up. This is the yellow again. And over here, you have a button that says turn it into Bezier. Look at it. Now you have the Bezier handles where you can influence more the range or create, kind of a graph where the range is less influenced even rapidly. And this one, for example, less influenced coming up towards the color. I already said that. You also can use the picker. If you come to the on-screen control, select the qualifier. And for example, let's select this red over here. And let's take it up. You notice you are increasing the saturation on this red. Is becoming some orange stories like this. And you can make it almost gray if you like to. That's pretty cool over here. Let's reset this. Take this node where we deal only with this side. And take this color and make it gray. So lady now is dressed in gray. Now one more note, saturation here, the default or the middle line is 1. Also you can select a point. You can increase the hue range. Here you are. Or the hue input. You can select the other one. And instead of playing with the graph, you can just scrub here and you change the range and the point position. Now you can click and change the saturation the way you would like. That's it. I will see you in the next lecture.